Today we're gonna go over aradaki, aka soy braised fish heads.
Fish head, ginger, burdock root. We're gonna start with the fish heads. We're gonna cut them into nice chunks. I usually cut them into about 3 pieces. Also, today we're gonna go over the classic way of doing this dish. We're gonna put some hot water over it. This procedure is called Shimopuri. Hot water over it first, and then cool it down with cold water, then throw some ice to stop the cooking. You do this to clean the ingredients so when you braise it, it doesn't come out fishy. I like using burdock roots, but you can use turnips, radishes, whatever you want. Next up, a little bit of ginger. I like to do it 2 different ways. One is chopped up, thrown in the braise, and the other one is going to be a freshly grated ginger juice to finish up the sauce. Put the burdock in root first. Why you do this is so when you braise the fish heads, it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. We're going to go ahead and add our ginger, sake, mirin, soy sauce, a little bit of brown sugar, Szechuan peppercorn. Add a lid on, and we're going to go ahead into the cook. Medium high to high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes while taking the scum off. You want to try to leave the lid on as long as you can.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, good job. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like my video.